The first step is to simply open Google Maps and then simply search for the location that you want to add to your Framer website. Then we're gonna have to simply click on share and then simply click on embed a map. Now I recommend you to select medium, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply click on copy HTML and then simply go back to Framer. Then we're gonna have to click on insert in the top left corner and then go to utility, and from here click on embed. And now what we're gonna have to do is simply enter the URL here. So make sure to select HTML and then simply paste it here. Now what we're gonna have to do next, we can simply drag this and place it wherever we want. And basically that's all we have to do in order to add or embed Google Maps to Framer website. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.